The Apple Vision Pro is packed with hidden features, secrets, and Easter eggs. In this list, there's at least one thing you didn't know. So let's jump in. You can increase your field of view with the Apple Vision Pro by just removing the light seal. Normally, when you look through the Apple Vision Pro, this is what it looks like, which is a bit more limited than other virtual reality headsets. But take out the light seal and your field of view expands significantly, close to something like this. It's actually possible to detach the built-in cable. You can do by sticking a SIM eject tool or a bobby pin into the small hole. Then pull the cable tool, reveal a modified version of the lightning connector. According to Apple, there's a motion sensor inside the battery pack. Apple used this motion sensor along with an LED indicator to show the charge status when you pick up the battery pack. By enabling sound recognition, the VR headset can notify you whenever it hears a fire alarm, a siren, a cat, or even your doorbell. So if you're in VR mode and someone rings your doorbell, your VR headset will hear that and notify you of the door being rang. If you want to switch from eye control to head movement, you have that capability. Not only that, but there's also a wrist and finger index control. There's a lot of commotion saying that the Apple Vision Pro cannot be used with other non-Apple products via Bluetooth. Well, I can confirm to you that Apple allows you to plug in and connect your headsets, other non-Apple headsets, to the Apple Vision Pro. Regardless if you don't turn it off, it's not the end of the world, because apparently if you leave it on standby, place it down on a flat surface and leave it inactive for 24 hours, it will automatically turn off, so you don't have to worry about the battery depleting. This is for annoying apps that keeps crashing and getting stuck. To do this, all you need to do is press and hold the right and left button at the same time until you see a force shutdown app screen pop up. Select the app you'd like to force close and force close the app. The digital crown can adjust the volume by looking at the audio speaker. Then adjusting the digital crown, you can turn up or down the volume. A single tap on the crown will always take you to the home screen. If you're in a virtual world, double tapping the crown will put you in pass-through mode so you can see your surrounding. A single tap will bring you back. Bonus tip: for travel mode to work, you have to be completely still. Then in the control panel, turn on the travel mode. So if you're in a vehicle, train, or plane, do it before it starts moving. If you try while it's moving, it won't work.